Alright guys, today we will be unboxing the Lemming plush after 3 whole months. It's here. Oh, I just saw it. This is it, guys. Oh, I know who it is. Y'all know who this is. Michael, you know who this is. This is it. Hi, after 3 whole months. Alright guys, it's time. Alright guys, let's see if it's the golden one or if it's I got the official. Oh, it came with the Lemming trading card this time. Let's go. Is there anything else in here? Nothing. One's finally here. Alright, let's tear him out. Alright, so let's review this. Okay. Oh. Okay, so let's review this.